Want to see how I created these Italian coast inspired nails? Well, stay tuned. We're going to get to the unboxing. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my Mani by Me. This is the July, this is the express kit. Like I'd said in last month, I decided to get the express kit just because I have so many polishes. So yeah, that's what I'm doing for now. And then like I said, if I did like the polishes, I'll go ahead and order, I can order them. So this is the card here. And I did see a little bit of the live that they had when they came out with the, they'll show the box. So this says, escape to sun-drenched coastlines and charming countryside moments with La Dolce Vita. Inspired by the beauty, flavor, and romance of Italian living, from citrus groves to seaside indulgence, this set captures the essence of slow days, good food, and effortless elegance. So we have the 2 plates here, and then there are 2 polishes, which I pulled them up here. This is called Amalfi Coast B587. It's a rich emerald, smooth metallic that reflects the lush beauty in coastal landscapes and citrus groves. So this one is very pretty. I think I might pick that up because I don't have many teals from them. I'm looking right now. And yeah, I have blues and tons of greens, but nothing like this. So I think I might have to pick that pick that one up when it comes on the for sale on the website. And then limoncello, bright yellow, smooth, metallic that captures the sunny, zesty spirit of Italy's iconic lemon liqueur. So yes, that there, which I'm trying to see. Yeah, I don't know if I really have like a color like that has shimmer in it. Yeah, this is, I don't know. Oh, this is lemon zest. Maybe this might be kind of close, but I think this has more of like silver in it. But yeah, definitely that teal. I think I'll have to pick that up. And then the bonus gift, shape and refine your nails with a glass file. So yes, I like glass files to use on your natural nails. And then we have Lemon Riviera. Oh, this is cute. So yes, it's like, Italy, all that yummy food. The little design, I think it's just so cute. So this is a little card here of how to achieve this nail here, which is super cute. I like how it has the lines in the background. So now let's get into the goodies. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to see the plates in person. And I think we have a sticker. Yes, we do. In my Stamping Era sticker, I've been loving this sticker. It's super cute. So let's take a look at the bonus gift, which is the glass file. Don't mind my nails, they are a wreck. I need to do them. Ooh, I like the little case it's in. So it has a nice little case here. It's like that kind of baby blue color. And so yes, I do like these for, yeah, like I said, I have to redo my nails. For natural nails. Yes, very nice. I like it. Keep this in my purse or in the car or something. That is super cute. I like that. So let's look at the plates. MXN179. Let me just refer back to the card. This says, so this plate is called Sotto un albero. Takes you on a stroll beneath, sorry, the light, citrus trees with lemons, leafy branches, and classic Italian tile patterns. You'll find rustic textures, vineyard details, and handwritten phrases like ciao bea and tutto bene that bring a relaxed countryside charm to your nails. So that's cool. Yeah, I love the little sayings. We got the grapes. I wonder, oh yeah, you could do like the solid image. Say you do like gold and you could put like the fruit in the middle. That'd be cute. I love the little seashells here. We've got little what would these be? Oranges, right? Citrus. Oh, I love the tile. This one's super cute. I like that. Then we have the lines. Yeah, I'm liking this. I like to have, you know, you can have just fruit, you know, for fruit nails too. And then this one, oh, I like these patterns. This one, sorry you guys, I did get a new light. Let me just move this one out of the way for a minute. This one's called Almare or Almar. Soaks in the coastal lifestyle with playful seaside designs featuring seafood, wine, cocktails, and beachside treats. From shells and lobsters to gelato, olives, and patterned tiles. This plate is a celebration of life by the sea, vibrant, indulgent, and full of personality. I love gelato. Gelato is so good. So yes, we have, this one's cute, the little bikinis, little sunglasses. I like this one here. It's got the little, what, sardines, lobster, some pizza, sardines, pasta. It's got the little drink there, wine. I love this. These plates are really cool. Yes, these plates are awesome. Absolutely love them. Since I don't have the polishes to swatch, I'm going to just take a few nails and just do a few little designs. I definitely love that tile. That tile one is very nice. It's not going to be like a cohesive set. I just want to play around with some designs to see. But yes, these are so cool. So yes, let me just get a few things ready and then I'll be back. All right, so I went ahead and did the background. Oh, sorry if you hear something. Aaron's playing a video game. So yeah, if you hear something, sorry, but I just want to get this done. So of course I did 2 nails white. I used La Katrina Nails Texas Albo, which is a white. And then for the middle, I wanted to do, I love this color, Mazapan. It's like a jelly nude. It's so pretty. And then for the ocean part, you know, that had like the lobsters and stuff, I did 1 coat of Madam Glam Tidal Glow, and then I put the Hot Girl Summer. This is actually a thermal cat eye. This is OMG who put that curb there. It's a cat eye, but like I said, it's a thermal. So I did 1 coat of the Tidal Glow, and then I did 1 coat of the cat eye, and I just activated this one just a little bit, I just wanted some type of little sparkle. And then this one, I mostly did the cat eye on the side here, if you can tell. But I just thought it was a pretty blue. I didn't want like a bright blue. I just wanted more of a muted blue. But yeah, I think it looks so cool with that cat eye over it. So yes, so that's my base colors here. And then I just have to figure out what images we're putting where. All right, so for the thumbnail, I had to do this tile. I think it's so cute. The image came out a little wonky in places, just because it's like you got to roll it fast or the image kind of spreads, like the silicone will kind of stretch. But I wasn't too worried about it. I mean, I'm not wearing these. Of course, if I was wearing them, I'd definitely probably fix it. But basically just to show, you know, a design idea. And then since the image wasn't long enough, I do have to go in and add a little bit to the bottom here. And then I believe, yeah, this is going to be for the pinky. This is going to be just a full lemon nail, and I wanted to do the outline in the blue. I'm trying to keep the same kind of colors throughout the set. I will add a little bit of browns to the other nails, but kind of keeping with the yellow, blue, and then like this green that I'm going to use for the leaves. So I'm just going to reverse stamp all the lemons with the yellow, and then I'll go in with green for the leaves. Sorry if my voice sounds a little cracky or something. Yesterday we did have to put our dog down. he was 14 and he just had the hip dysplasia. He was getting to where he couldn't even walk. He was like dragging himself, and I would have him basically in the house. He's a huge dog. And he's a Belgian Shepherd, and I would have him in the house, you know, taking care of him and take him out to go to the bathroom. But it was just too hard for him to walk, and I could tell he was in pain. And so, yeah, it was time. So, yeah, it's been hard. I was like his person. It says they pick one person. Like Malinois usually bond with one person. Of course, he loved the kids and everything, but just, I mean, he would follow me scooting around the house everywhere I'd go, you know, in the kitchen. And because we had him right by the sliding door on like blankets and stuff, had his food there and his water. But he would scoot around the kitchen and then like to the bathroom area, you know, if I'd go in there to do stuff. And so, yeah, he would follow me everywhere, and he was just an amazing dog. He was actually born here. We had his mom and dad here, and he was actually born in our garage. We had a big thing set up, you know, for her to have the puppies. And so, yeah, it's just weird to wake up and he's not here. Sorry, I had to take a little break. So we're gonna do this looks like a frame. I did it with I love that gold. I think it's Gold Rush. And then I'm gonna stamp a lemon in the middle of it. So yeah, just trying to keep myself, you know, busy. We are leaving Monday. Today's Friday when I'm doing the voiceover. We are leaving Monday to go to Utah, and I'll be gone until Saturday. We're also gonna visit my brother. So yeah, I'm just trying to keep myself busy and just telling myself that he had a good life. He had a good life, and you know, he's not in pain, and he can run again and be with you know, my cats and my little dog that we lost 2 years ago. So he's up there playing with all the animals. Alright, I'm trying to see what we're doing here. So yes, I just wanted to do this little design that has the lines on it. And then I'm going to add a saying in the middle, the ciao bea, I think it is, or bea. I'm not very good at Italian. I don't know if I don't think you pronounce it the same as Spanish. I always want to go and say it in Spanish. But yeah, I think this says ciao bella or bea. I'm not sure. Like Spanish, like I said, you would say bea. And then this is gonna be, oh yeah, a little French bread. All right, so I went ahead and put this little piece of bread there, and so I'm just trying to figure out what else I'm gonna put. Sorry, I have the washer and dryer going. I'm gonna go in with acorn just to do the outline. Kind of looks like a wine. So with this wine bottle, it looks like it's filled, you know, not all the way up. There's like a line that kind of stops, so that's where I'm filling in the wine color, just to where that little the line is there. And then I'm gonna go in with gold to do the label part. I just thought, you know, some of the wine bottles have like the gold label, so I'm just gonna go in and paint with the gold. Sorry, I don't know why I was way at the corner. I got a new light, and it actually has a phone stand connected to the light, so I'm using that, and it's weird because you can't move it too far certain ways. So yeah, I'm still getting now I'm have to get used to this light and where my stand is. And I usually use like the paper towel and stuff as like a guide, and I don't know why I was drifting way in the corner. Sorry, you see that $5 bill. Aaron and his friend have been going around and washing cars to make money for the summer just here on our street, you know, on our block here. And so he came in and was like, Mom, I'm just going to put my money here so I don't lose it, because he was going back out to go, I guess, do another car. So he just went and put it on my desk, and I saw it there and I was like, oh, let me move it out of the way. It doesn't look very good there. So now I'm just stamping on the little spaghetti. I think it's so cute. Sorry, oh, there we go. Super cute. I do a little piece of cheese. I know they're known for their cheese. I thought this would be kind of close to like the Parmesan, but then I want to do this for the little outline, just to help it, you know, kind of stand out. So yes, I'm just going to fill in the outline of the cheese. Now I'm just filling in with that lighter color. This image is so cute. I guess I wasn't recording using Frozen. It looks so pretty. I have to do a set with this design. I don't know. It's just, I thought it was super cute. It's seashells. And so I'm just alternating. Some of them I'm doing that Frozen color, and then some I'm doing like that kind of beigey color, and then I'll go in and do like a light brown. I just think it looks so cute, and especially over the blue. Just think, I don't know, something about it. I just think it's so cute. And so this image is, oh my God, I'm trying to, oh, I think this is the lobster. Yeah, this is a little lobster. So I just did it in the acorn for the outline. And then I'm just going in with a red stamping polish. I think it's Cherry Bomb. I think that's the one I use, Cherry Bomb. And I'm just going to fill in the little lobster. And I'm going to put him right at the bottom. So cute. And then I'm just going to go in and put like these little wavy lines. I didn't want to leave it just plain like that. So I'm just taking little pieces of that design and just, you know, putting them separately. Put like the little lines. And then I'm going to go in and I believe I'm going to do like a little seahorse. There's a seahorse on there. And then I think I do the little jellyfish. I'm just going to do that on either side of the little wavy lines. So I believe now with the Mani by Me boxes and kits, well, I'm not sure about the kit, but I think for the box, you don't have to really do a subscription anymore. I think you can order the box, you know, just if you want it every month. I believe that's so. I'll leave everything in the description, but I just absolutely love the subscription. The plates are always amazing. I do love their polishes, but like I said, I just have too many. But I think I'm definitely going to get that teal though. But look at this. I just love it. Something about with the blue and like the brown shells. And so I wanted to do this little fish, and I just already, you know, went ahead and just filled it in off camera. So this is the finished little set. I think it's really, really cute. I especially love the lobster nail with those seashells. I might have to do a whole set with that before summer ends. I think it's just so cute in the lemons. So yes, please check out Maniology. They are awesome. I do have a code Sondra10. You can save 10% on their website. I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye.